Coach Bhai.
कुछ भाई
Uh, Good evening, everyone. At the outset, I would like to convey that I'm extremely privileged and honored for having been given this opportunity to be part of your festival, part of your ways. When my wife told me that, I will have to attend this function, so first of all, I needed to know what it is. So I started Googling, put some Google me. Then when I read something about it, and then I realized that the commonality of this festival with various other festivals that we follow in the country, like festival harvest, it's a festival of harvest, it's a festival of happiness, abundance, prosperity. And then I started thinking, then another bombshell, she told me that I need to give a speech also. So then I thought, what all things I will, speak as part of the speech. But then I must tell you, till now, say 15 minutes back, I was pretty anxious that what I will speak. But having spent 15-20 minutes here with you all, I was thinking that I need not rehearse or practice anything, because it's happiness. And one thing I've always seen is that people from Northeast are the most happiest on this planet. They're always happy. They're always happy. I had, during my training days, I had two postmates, one Jamkulun and one Lamching Thang. So, yeah. So Lamching used to get me all non-veg, this achar, when he comes back from term break. So he used to get me, yeah. And Jami is a dear friend. So, and I've been, I was privileged to have got this opportunity to serve twice. Once I had a tenure with 59 RR, it's an Assam regiment. So there it's a mix of all Assam, people from Manipur, Arunachal. So I had a lot of boys from Northeast. And they also used to get me a lot of non-veg things. And again, my previous tenure was in Sikkim. I was posted in North Sikkim. So I'm feeling very at home here, and having spent a little bit of time on this occasion, it seems to amaze me every time that having spent close to 20 years in the army and been posted to various places in the country, up north. Then I'm coming, as I told, I'm coming from Sikkim in the east, and south, again Wellington, where I was posted. Then even in the west also, Nagar and other places I've seen. It ceases to amaze me that there are a lot of things that you have not seen, that you have not witnessed, not experienced. And that's the beauty of our country and our people, that wherever we go, we stay connected to our roots. When we landed up here 2 months back, it's Nagpur, Maharashtra, and there was our festival Onam, you all must be known. So there was Onam immediately after that. But then again, I got so many invitations from Kerala, Samajam, and all these people who are there in Nagpur, and there were everywhere Onam was celebrated. And similarly, you are so far away from your home, but still, all of you are making an effort today to stay connected to your roots and celebrate something which is so special to you. And again, making all of us also part of it. Hats off to you and your dedication and your attachment. A special mention to Major Kibben and her husband for having arranged this lovely evening. I understand that how difficult it is. It's not an easy task. And then again, as you said, it's a small community to get everyone together and celebrate. A very, very commendable effort, and I would say thank you so much for inviting me and my wife to be part of this festival. Once again, I wish you all the best, all the happiness, all the abundance, all the success which this festival symbolizes. And thank you for inviting us, and I'm looking forward to a very sumptuous dinner. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ਹਾਂ